In addition to cloud storage, sharing, and collaboration, Google Drive also affords users the ability to create documents. If you go to the top left and click on the New button, you'll notice that you have the ability to create Google Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, as well as forms, drawings, maps, and sites. Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides are all document tools that you may be familiar with. For instance, Google Docs allows you to create documents, Google Sheets allows you to create spreadsheets, and Google Slides is a presentation tool. All of these are shareable with other users and also allow you to publish them to the web so that other users can see them embedded on a web page or anywhere that you'd like them to appear. In addition, you can use Google Forms to set up surveys or exams or quizzes, or just create a form for users that are joining your organization. Google Drawings is a tool that you can use to create clip art, and Google My Maps is a tool that you can use with your students to take advantage of Google Maps in creating lessons that your students can use to connect location to any topic that you're discussing, whether it be English or math or social studies. And then finally, Google Sites allows users to create their own web page, whether for the classroom or for any lesson that you're teaching that week, or maybe you want to use a Google site as a launching pad for flipped instruction or maybe a hyperdoc. Each of these tools will be outlined later on in other courses, so if you're interested, join us later for content creation, tests and assessments, and other courses.